What is this model? This is the RFID control door lock.
What is this two card?
This card is a smart card. Inside this card there is some code which can be read by this RFID. RFID it is a type of reader. This will read the code inside here. And this, if the code inside here is matched with this, it can open the.
Why is
it this?
Okay.
If it is not matching with this code, this card is not matched with this RFID. Now, alarm is ringing and red mark is here.
There's some unknown intruders are coming. Okay.
What about this LED function?
LED function here, red indicates there is some unknown person which is not related with this reader. This indicates, and the green light indicates.
So please demonstrate this to what?
Okay, let's demonstrate.
If this is matched by the door, it will be light green and the door will be open.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, bro. And the red one, please show.
So let's demonstrate what it is.
Can we apply this model to some other industrial purposes for commercial use of people?
Yes, exactly. We can apply this. We can use smart card. With the smart card, we can scan here like this. If the person is legal with this, matching with this reader, the person can enter here. If not, he will be outside of that.
Okay, great. What is your model?
Our model is a Bluetooth light control.
Yeah, how it works?
Yeah, it's worked by instead of using by switch key, with physical method, we should wireless method. Okay, let's see how it's worked. It should be worked by using a simply smartphone. I think every person in this world have a smartphone. Instead of using that switch, we should use a smartphone. Yes, and this will light it's on when I click on this key, and then off. I think this kind of model it's used. It can be used in our household purposes. Yeah, something like suppose in your bed. I think in nighttime when you are in a bed, but you think but no the thing, but you have some idle or lazy to come out to switch off that kind of light at the time, or by some purpose instead of using that key, you can use such kind of device.
Can such type of device can be produced for the commercial uses?
Yeah, yes, yeah, of course we can. Not only this, not only the light, we can make many kind of, not a light or motor also. We can control by a Bluetooth for opening the doors by using a motor. Not that.
So, bro, how many block can be controlled by this Bluetooth?
I think it's kind of infinity. It's a number of block can be controlled. Like for example, in a DJ party, you know that. Just like in Tomorrowland, it's a number of lights for that party. Just for Robolight also. It's also